Hey, look.
What it is?
I know this ain't how you start a mukbang, but look at this bullshit right here.
For real.
This what we doing.
We can't even get our food yet.
You know what? Take them outside. Go ahead.
I ain't.
I'm whipping this motherfucker. Go ahead, take that.
I ain't ate in so long.
Okay, go ahead.
Hold on.
I know this ain't how we start a mukbang, but this
I
is how
got
we
y'all.
gonna start it off.
I got y'all.
No, go outside. Like, go outside.
Look at this.
Get out. Get out the car.
Hold on.
Yeah.
I ain't feel like getting out the car. We in there. Look at this. Look at this. Oh shit. Look at this. Look at this. This is bad. This is bad. Look at this line. Look at this line. That line's longest. Matt, come on, bro. Come on, man. Come on, man. We can't even get our food yet.
But we gonna do it for y'all.
That's so bright.
Ooh, that light kind of. Hold on. Oh, hold on. It's messing me up. There we go. Look, but that light kind of busting though. And we gonna wait in this line for y'all.
There. Maybe not.
There we go. We're gonna get y'all story time. Go ahead. Hold on.
Yeah, what are
Just admiring
but
this
yeah,
light right now.
I'm already knowing.
Why isn't it looking
But yeah,
at me?
but yeah, we gonna holler at y'all when we get the food and wait in this long ass line here.
Yeah.
Alright then. I know y'all like what the hell. What we doing?
Like, why is these niggas back?
Right, but we just telling y'all that before this video start, there's some blurriness in the video, and we are goofy, you know, beginners to it.
Right.
But we still raw like that.
Right. So y'all might as well go ahead and just ignore the blurriness. Go ahead and watch the whole
We just
thing.
had it on the wrong setting.
Yeah.
So it's good content.
Right.
You just gotta watch the whole thing. In the next video we got y'all. We know now.
On me.
Shit.
On me.
That's it.
On me.
Shit.
Not just, you feel me? Just keep on going.
Right.
Don't pause it.
Right. First of all, so we gonna subscribe real quick.
Right.
We gonna wait.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, they did it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Like the video.
Go ahead and like that too. We gonna wait.
Shit. And after y'all done with that,
Go ahead and share this whole video.
right.
To everybody and their mom.
Then y'all gonna be good. Then we gonna be good.
Right.
Good night. What it is, gang? Yes, sir. It's your boy Akko.
Why?
And I'm Marin.
Special guest on the
Guest.
on the show. On the show, you know. But yeah, we got this mukbang coming for y'all.
I'm ready.
You know?
I'm ready. Yeah, I ate all
We
day.
eating this canes right here.
I ate
Good.
This canes, yeah. I'm gonna go. Hold on. Oh, I know y'all want to see. Yeah, sir. Got the cognac combo.
Look at
She
that
got the box
toast.
combo. She been eating on it a little bit. He been eating on it a little bit too.
You see what we
Yeah,
are.
sir. Yeah, sir. I'm already knowing.
It's brand.
I'm already knowing. That's the best. Don't
That's
make
the
me
best
do it to
part.
him. I ain't gonna show him. I gotta show him.
You can't.
I can't show him.
Don't show him.
Go ahead.
That's your secret.
They don't deserve it.
It's y'all one time y'all get to see this.
I can't even talk right now. That bread so good, man.
You get the sandwich, right? You get the bread, right? Split it in half. Boom. Take the cane sauce,
Right.
right?
Cause that's gonna hit by itself.
Mm-hmm. You know, the cane sauce is specialty. Put it on one side of the bread. Boom. From the jar. You ain't even gotta do all that.
Right.
Put the cane sauce down. Take one of your chicken strips. Split that boy in half. Slap that boy on top. Take some fries. Slap that boy on top of the chicken. Hey. Put the other piece of bread
Holy.
on top of it.
That's beautiful.
Oh,
You see what you got.
Oh my God.
Sir. Yes.
Why almost snatched that out your head? Right. I'm already up.
Mm-hmm.
I'm already up.
Mm-hmm. But We're gonna be out this little story time.
Oh, yeah.
Whole time. In the past time. But this time.
Because it's the present time.
Right. So, they want us to talk about this Kane's bus.
I should do that.
They want us to talk about crazy girl moments.
Oh boy.
Well,
So what you trying to do? You trying to do the duo one first? Or you trying to do the single one first?
Do it first.
I don't even, really? I can say the single one, but
I can say the
she might get a little
too.
mad.
Right.
She might get a little mad. So,
Well, yeah, fine.
Yeah, you can't.
I already know it.
so, yeah.
But I think you gonna have to say that single one though. But we can do the duo one first if you want to do that.
Okay. We can do that.
You still gonna have to double back to that.
Do
single,
that
'cause I
duo
wanna hear
one
that.
first.
That single one, we gonna see how I feel. We gonna see.
Okay.
But the duo one, I'm gonna let you start that off since you was the one that brought the situation to me. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get my input.
What you said? Okay.
I'm gonna say first one.
Go ahead.
Okay. So Bob, me and Akko, we chilling, man. We in school. You feel me? We go to college. You feel me? We was walking to class one day. You feel me? Akko told me he ain't had nothing to do. It was a Friday night. Friday night he ain't had nothing to do. So what? I'm like, I'm sliding. You know where to, you feel me? I ain't even gonna say the location, but I'm sliding by. He talking about.
And we sliding to this other college.
Yeah, we sliding to this other college. Okay. So, Bob, I'm like, you wanna come with me, Bob? You ain't doing nothing. Shit, I wasn't finna leave that man. You feel me? He ain't doing nothing.
Yeah.
So, we get on it. We get on the plot. They come scoop us. You feel me? We get in the car. It's just me, Akko,
They picked you
and a
up.
certain female.
Yeah. But hold on.
Wait.
But whole time, the female that I was set up with wasn't in the car with me that night. So like,
You went there.
I went there. I went there for someone else. They were just supposed to be there. Why is the camera blurry?
It's been doing that a lot.
Yeah, I was supposed to go out there for another girl. So I had to stay there at night alone, and he was with his girl. So the next day, you gotta tell that night? You want me to tell that night?
What happened?
You want me to tell the whole thing?
What happened? What you
So
talking
they got
about?
a couch
You telling the story now.
and a chair in their living room, but the couch small as hell.
Right.
You know, niggas big body around here, you feel me? So like, I ain't gonna be able to fit in that motherfucker.
Right.
So the girl that was in the car in the back seat with me was drunk.
Okay.
And then she was being nice. She was like, "Oh, you want me? You can come sleep in the corner of my bed. Woo this, woo that." And at first I'm like, "Nah," cause I got a girl coming for me tomorrow. Like I'm not finna make it seem like I'm finna be laid up with you type shit.
Right.
So I'm like, "Nah." And she kept asking. I'm like, "You know what? Fuck it. I don't want to sleep out here on this little ass couch."
Okay.
So I'm gonna take the corner.
Okay.
So I get in her bed. The whole time she throwing jabs, hooks, and shit.
Right.
You feel me?
Tyson's,
Right. And I'm dodging.
Frasers, all them.
I had to put a barrier. You feel me?
You feel me?
I'm dodging them boys. Went to sleep. Woke up. Go ahead. No. What? You woke up. What happened?
What you mean?
What happened?
What you mean?
What you thought?
You was right. You was on the right track though.
Okay. So the whole time in my head though, while I'm laying in this girl bed, I'm thinking, I'm like, I'm not gonna do nothing with her. Like, she drunk, but I'm not gonna do nothing with her because
Right. Respectful.
because it's respectful, first of all, because you drunk,
Right.
and then second of all, because I got a girl coming for me tomorrow.
Right.
So I'm not gonna do nothing. Like, they
Were they friends? Those two girls?
I don't know. I think so. Possibly. I don't know. I don't know. I think she knew of her, but
Right.
yeah. And then
You been hit. Right.
I woke up the next morning thinking my girl was gonna come, but
Didn't.
she didn't. But hold on, I got called into the room, and Twine and his shorty called me into the room about mom this, that, and the third, and then told me I should end up with the girl bed I slept in. And I was like, forget it, I'll take one for the team all the time. You know, feel me? I got you. I'm out here, so might as well.
Right.
Bomb.
Right.
Then, yeah, that's how I ended up with the one. And this is where the crazy story starts.
Oh man.
So, we was kicking it with him.
Why do I even have crazy stories about them that involve me? That's
I
enough.
came out there with them. No, we kept going out there, going back and forth. They got the little apartment with her, and yeah, we was just chilling with them, kicking with them, and everything.
Right.
And then it comes to this one weekend. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do.
Wait, hold on. Where you pause. Where you feel me? What are you talking about?
We can do both incidents.
Okay, I'm thinking of one.
Which one?
The one I'm thinking about. We're just finna go chill with. Hey there.
Like recent one?
That one. That's
No,
what I'm talking about.
I'm talking about when we went out. When we went out, you feel me?
Hold on.
When we went out and we was about to go. You feel me? No, not that.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, it was that.
Yeah, right.
And then, so we was about to go link up with AJ, but AJ was at a party.
Girl.
Yeah. Y'all saw her in one of the vlogs.
Shout out
She was
to
on-
AJ.
Yeah. Y'all saw her
I
on one
already
of the
know
vlogs.
you
She was on
watching
FaceTime.
Sitting on the couch doing something. What
And
is it,
then-
fool?
What it is, gang? Hold on. What it is, gang?
Oh, wait.
But, yeah. She was at a party, and we had to stay there because we were waiting on something. And then, whole time, the shorties that we was just telling y'all about was tweaking, thinking we was going out there for a party, thinking we was just finna go chill
Oh my
out
God.
there with some other females and all this, that and the third. And we like, no.
Okay, I know you're talking
Yeah, we like, no, like we finna go out there, get what we gotta do. I mean, do what we gotta do and get what we gotta get and be back on the road. And we using their car, so we have to, like, like.
Right.
Oh,
Right.
they weren't with you?
No.
No.
Oh my god. Okay.
Oh, you said that like you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, what you guys say?
That's just funny.
And then, so we out there. I don't know what time we left. What time we leave?
That night? You talking
Yeah.
about that night? Bye.
About 12. 1.
Well, yeah. We ended up leaving like 12. 12:30. Something like that.
Right. And then, yeah, we ended up leaving there. And then, yeah, the whole time they just thinking that we messing with other females and everything. Then, cause we was out there, we ain't get back to like 4.
Yeah.
Keep it a buck. AJ was on games.
Oh, me!
Talking about woo that.
Hey!
Making us wait longer and longer and longer and longer.
She on BPT.
Y'all know what that means? Black people time.
Black people.
And then I'm gonna let you take over. We get back from farm.
We get back from where? From out there?
Yeah.
We get back.
Hold on, tell the situations when they was blowing your shit up and everything.
Oh, okay. Well, me and Akko, I just said we was doing our, you feel me, doing our thing, getting what we had to get. We were waiting for about 2 hours.
3 hours.
Waiting. Trying to get what we was trying to get out of there. Go back. So, it's about, what, an hour before we finally get what we really
wanted?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So there, we chilling, sitting in the car, me and Akko.
Mm-hmm.
Me, Akko. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Me, Akko.
Why the fuck you lying?
So there,
What?
wow. They blowing my phone up. Where y'all at? What y'all doing? And all this other stuff. I'm like, girl, I am a grown.
Whole time though,
I
the
would have
reason
been
why we
mad
really
too.
was at the party
Yeah.
is because we went there and really AJ started fighting somebody in the house. And it was just a big
We
fight in
had
the
to
house.
stay. Had to stay for that.
Yeah. We had
Yeah, we had.
it was a big ass fight in the house, so we watching it. Trying to hold down AJ. AJ in there throwing them bitches. She there.
So we watching.
AJ in there throwing them boys.
Not lying though, we was really sitting there like
And then-
shit.
Yeah. And then
We was like, hey, go ahead, AJ.
AJ was in there throwing them. If y'all know who AJ is, arms go to her ankles. Her arms long on me. But yeah,
Never.
she was throwing them boys. And then so we had to wait for AJ to do all that. That was a hour and a half process because she was throwing balls with everybody. Then after the fighting and stuff, people started shooting. We had to hop out the window, all that, do all that.
Right.
Wait on that to stop.
Yeah,
Our
all
car
time.
in the front.
All the time we got twerked up.
Fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
He got twerked up.
He got twerked.
He got twerked up. What you talking about? He got him fucked
We'll
up.
cut this out. We gonna cut that part out. But, yeah. Okay, go ahead. Whole time.
We was outside the window waiting on that to get done.
Right.
And it just we got back to the crib and what happened?
We got back to the crib.
But they were just going off.
Yeah. It really was. For no reason.
And
We went out there.
I'm on God.
Waited on AJ.
Right. Witnessed a whole fight.
Right. When it's a whole boxing match.
And almost got shot at.
Almost got cat dog. Dang, we had to
Did they like not believe you?
We had to jump out the
They didn't
window.
believe you that you were just there.
Like pretty much. But
I've been crazy.
yeah, what it is.
You have so much sauce.
We're good now. I'm already knowing because it's busting right now.
This shit is snapping.
But yeah.
Y'all got a case by your house? Go there now.
On me.
Right now.
Hey, matter of fact, go to Kane's page and tell them they need to sponsor us.
Whole time. Bro, I'm telling you, fool up.
Chicken strips on
I'm already know. I demolished the bread. The bread ain't messing 5 seconds.
Your single ones. You're just your crazy girl. You.
Yeah. No, okay, I'll go first.
I can't.
So,
You
what
have to.
happened was, she was just flat out crazy. Like, she was just, like, I understand females got, like, trust issues, but I got trust issues too. Men have trust issues too. Uncle, you got trust issues?
A little bit. Yeah.
I got trust
It
issues.
depends on who you is.
Yeah, whole time. I really do. But whole time, she was just, I don't know. Like, I couldn't have certain friends dating this certain female.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we found.
Okay,
You feel me?
I got it, yeah.
We found on the same track. You feel me?
Okay. But like, it was just.
Wait. Was there a reason you couldn't have these certain friends?
Was there a reason I couldn't have these certain friends?
True.
I mean,
There was.
there was, but they weren't valid reasons. Like, she would always think these certain type of friends had like some feelings for me. You feel me? At the time, and it was just
I'm like, why is this? Okay, keep going. Because my shit the same thing. Like we're on the same track right now.
But it was just like it's just like at the end of the day, like I'm my own person, and I'm gonna respect you because I mean, you feel me? You real with me at the end of the day, so I'm gonna be real with you. I ain't got no reason to like lie to you or like, you feel me? Nothing like that. So if you trust me, then I'm gonna trust you. She was just, you feel me? She wasn't getting that, so she was just.
She was a crazy one.
Off the rail. Yeah, she was.
That's it.
All time.
Mine was pretty much like that. But the reason why I couldn't be certain friends with these certain people was because I had previous interactions with one of them.
Right.
But it was like at the moment, it was like that's nothing you gotta worry about.
Right.
In a few months later.
Bro, chill out, bro.
I'm sorry.
That was nothing she had to worry about because it was just all about her.
Anybody want this chicken
And
scratch?
then I ain't even gonna get into that. But anyways, it was just too clingy. I couldn't, like, we'd argue all the time.
Just basic crazy girl stuff.
Yeah, like, and then I don't know, it was just weird.
Right.
Like we had the same,
it was weird.
like everywhere, every time. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
All time.
You doing that?
That could just be her worried about you though, like.
But like, no.
I'm gonna give him my side.
No.
I'm just saying, you'd want to know.
What you saying?
I don't know.
What?
That's just not crazy to me.
What?
Asking where you.
No.
So
no.
give your opinion, more.
It wasn't.
wanna be-
your mind.
I would want to know where
It
you.
wasn't. No. It wasn't like that. Like.
Speak your
It got to the
mind.
point where niggas had the same history class.
Right.
We walked the class together. I set my back down. She set her back down.
Right.
She'd be in my aisle before I even set my back down. I turn
Talking to
around. Or I turn around.
She
And
gave you no space, basically. Yeah,
You
you
felt
need space.
suffocated, basically.
Make sure you guys
I guess
wash
you could
your
say that.
hands.
But like I go use the bathroom. She, where you going? You going to use the bathroom? Oh, okay.
That's weird.
And then I'd be like, or I'll get a drink of water, and she'd be like, oh, I'm coming with you back.
I'm gonna go drain the snake. That's what you should have told her.
Like, so I was like, fuck it.
I'm gonna go piss right now.
Yeah, that's what it got to.
Please get out of my way.
Yeah, I know.
And you could tell your side of the story. You really could.
Go ahead,
I don't
more.
really have a side.
A lot of people could.
A lot, yeah. I mean, I don't really have an opinion on it. Like, what happens, happens.
Yeah.
We all make mistakes.
Chill out, bruh. What? Camera died. That's some goofy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we just gonna end it right there.
For me.
That wasn't really exclusive.
Your hazards are on.
That wasn't really exclusive. I know y'all just saw me spit. But maybe y'all get that exclusive one day. You got anything to say? Young Play.
Y'all know what y'all gotta do, man. Like.
Go ahead, like that boy.
Subscribe.
If you like it and you watch the video, you're gonna have to subscribe because we just like that.
You might as well go ahead and share it too.
Share that boy, because if you laugh,
might as well.
You laugh, you gonna want your other friends to laugh because you just want to see them happy, right?
Don't be stingy.
Right. Y'all can share us. Shit.
Yeah.
More.
Yeah. I want to do I have lots of ideas. Lots of videos coming soon. For sure.
That's all you gotta say? That's it? Alright, well.
Thanks for driving, Akko.
Shit.
We ain't gotta talk to him no more.
Shit, we good, right?
Yeah.
Hey,
that's it.
Hey, go tell Kane to sponsor us.
Oh,
and,
yeah.
hey.
What's up, Lee?
We about to make the shit right now. The Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. So y'all can just go ahead and comment and stuff on that.
Yes.
Feel me, instead of commenting on the video.
Yup.
And yeah, that's it.
Yup.
We out.
Yup.
We love y'all.
Don't be lady.
Yes, sir.